press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi friends, you are watching Revenue Speak. I'm your host Gaurav Sharma. Today come with another video. Maruti will be launching the all-new 2019 WagonR later this month, and this will be the first major update to the hatchback in 20 years. The WagonR made its Indian debut in 1999 and ever since has remained popular small car featuring in the list of top 5 selling cars each month. With the newer generation model just a week away from launch, let's discuss 10 important things you should know about this tall boy hatch. First thing is launch date. Maybe most of you know Maruti will launch all new WagonR on 23rd of January. Interestingly, the date clashes with the launch of new Tata Harrier as well. This is also the date when Maruti will announce the pricing as well as version lineup for the hatchback. We can confirm that there will be small increase in the pricing. Next thing is the car will get a new engine. The WagonR, like the new Sentro, will get a bigger 4-cylinder engine for the new model, the same unit that is seen in the Ignis, Swift Dzire and Baleno. This is not the first time the WagonR will be powered by such a setup. Motoring will recall that the first generation model came with a 1061cc 4-cylinder FD10 unit that was good for 62 bhp of power. The new 1.2 liter WagonR will be make 83 bhp, 130 Nm or an increase of 22% in terms of max power and 25% in terms of max torque. This will surely give the WagonR much needed performance boost, and further, unlike a 3-cylinder engine, will offer better NVH or noise, vibration, harshness levels. The older 1.0 unit will also continue for the lower versions. Next thing is automatic will be available as optional. The new WagonR will see the return of an optional automatic, something that was offered years back. As expected, this will be Maruti's AGS or auto gear shift setup that is also seen in the Ignis, Swift and Dzire. WagonR's rival, the Sentro, offers an optional AMT, but given the extra torque of 1.2 unit, Maruti's latest kit will provide a better city and highway experience with the AMT setup. Further, it will also get a new manual gearbox with much smoother shift than the current transmission. Next thing is all new design. The 2019 WagonR has nothing in common with the outgoing version. In fact, the current model has remained largely same for 20 years, with the last update coming in 2010 in the form of the Blue iBoy model. The Stingray model was added in 2013 but soon get renamed as the new VXI trim. The massive boot, while the rear gets new tall vertical lights. In all, the model definitely is a marked improvements in terms of aesthetics. 2019 model is up to 56 mm longer and 145 mm wider than the older model. Depending on the version of the later, wheelbase has gone up by 35 mm. Next thing is all new interiors. The WagonR gets a completely revised styling for the cabin with a dual tone finish. The upper and central fascia are finished in dark, while other parts have a lighter beige theme. The steering too is new and seems to be lift off from the Ignis. Though Maruti has not put out any word yet, the new model is expected to offer increased passenger space, especially in terms of shoulder room. Next thing is new features. Maruti will be loading up the new WagonR with never before seen features. These include a touchscreen infotainment system on the top specific model with support for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Likewise, it will get steering mounted controls, a new semi-digital speedometer console, multiple charging outlets, etc. Rear vents could make it to the model given that Sentro offers the same. Next thing is added safety. The WagonR will be manufactured on a modified platform with changes done to meet the upcoming Bharat safety norms. Additionally, we are expecting that Maruti might offer dual front airbags, ABS, rear parking sensor, speed alerts, etc. as standard across all models. The new model will also have improved braking and better high-speed dynamics. Next thing is commercial model to continue. Maruti offered dedicated model for commercial fleet operators in India. This include the Dzire Tour, the Celerio H2, and likewise Maruti is likely to retain the older model for commercial use as the WagonR is popular choice for Ola and Uber drivers. It will get the factory fitted CNG kit too and will be feature stripped for a lower price point. Next thing is it will come in 7 version. The new WagonR will be offered in mix of 2 engine and transmission options. The 1.2 unit will be offered in LXI, VXI, and the 1.0 unit will be offered in LXI, VXI, and VXI AGS versions, while the larger 1.2 motor will be offered in VXI, VXI AGS, ZXI, and ZXI AGS trims. Do note that the VXI and ZXI model will come with wider and taller wheels of size 165/70R14. Next thing is color options. The new WagonR will be offered in a total 6 different color options. These include white, silver, grey, orange, brown, and blue. The official communication said has not been revealed yet. In contrast, the current WagonR is sold in 7 different color options. These were the 10 things about new Maruti Suzuki WagonR. Hope you liked the video. If you like the video, hit like button and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. If you are looking for some cool gadgets for your car, please check links in description box. Thanks for watching.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.